So, hello everyone. I'm Daniel from SharmKey Makerspace. So, tara, let's proceed sa practice problem 2.8. So, sige, punta tayo sa file. Then, practice problem. Meron tayong difficulty na easy. Duration is 10 minutes. So, yun lang siya. So, parang siyang book holder, I guess. Hindi man, stopper pala. Okay, makita nyo offset from outer edge. Okay, meron tayong target volume na 118,440 millimeter cubes. Okay, let's proceed sa SolidWorks. Okay, select the part. Check natin saan yung origin. So, nandun sa backside, tas sa lower left. So, okay. Front plane tayo, sketch. Then, gawa tayo ng corner rectangle. Edit na lang natin yung later. Okay, height niya is 250. Sorry kung masyado mabilis, no? Parang speedrun kasi to eh. So, yan, bear with me. Pwede nyo na maulit-ulitin to eh. Okay, meron tayong 20 na height doon. Then, slanted line going to up here. Sige, trim natin yan. 30 mm. Then, 20. Wala siyang ano, no? Fillet. So, 15 ang thickness niya. So, sige. Offset tayo, 15. Okay, there we go. Sketch, 15 ang tama, thickness. So, yeah, I think so. Sige, try natin yan. 15. Okay, then meron siyang fillet dito, I guess. Na 6. Okay. Fillet. Select that one. Nope, chamfer pala ito. Napindot ko fillet. Yan. Oops. Oops. Mali. Yan. Select this one. That one. And then this one. 6. Okay. So makikita nyo, isang buo to. Okay. Pwedeng gawin natin dyan. Try nga natin dito. Oops. So, hindi pwede, no? Medyo alanganan. Okay. So, pwede natin gawin. Ito na lang natin rekta. This one. And this one. So, tangent natin to. And this one. Okay. Then, pwede natin gawin equal. Ito pala. Equal. And then, actually, pwede na natin gawin 6. Yan. Smart dimension. 6. Okay. Remove tayo ng entities. So, makikita nyo yung line na yun. Sige, gawin natin yun. Collinear. Okay, there we go. Then this part. Oops. reduce nga pala. Okay. So, hindi na daw need. Wala na-realize. Okay. Okay. Lumabas kaya. And then, evaluate most properties. So, 148,049. So, oops, parang malaki, no? Okay, let's double check. Oh, ito pala. Ang ano niya, offset niya is 15 pala, then thickness is 12. So, okay na. Okay, offset is 15. Thickness niya is 12. Okay. There we go. 118,440 millimeter cube. Ito, no? Okay, kuha agad natin. Lang guys, na-double check natin yung mga dimensions bago tayo ano. So, kadalasan naman pag nag-CSWA, no, double check nyo lang palagi pag hindi lumalabas yung sagot. Or, make sure na triple check nyo yung mga dimensions or it should make sense na lalabas dapat lahat ng nilagay yung dimensions. Kasi kadalasan yun naman dapat talaga yung volume niya. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.